So, where are we going today? Grabe niya kasaya, guys. Magpunta siya sa Intratown. Why? What do you want to do there? They have all the Christmas stuffs in there. And you guys, ang ating pangmalakasang earrings. Hindi yan gold. Hindi yan totohanan. Nabili ko po kahapon sa city. Grabe ang ano niya, guys. Kakaiba. Grabe ang saya ni Nathan. Oh, nakasmile lang daw. Show us the smile. Oy! Paborito niya kasi yan doon sa Intratown kaya makapaglaro po siya. So, mag-grocery na din po tayo kasi mamili ako ng...
Can you make another face?
Huh?
Can you make a mama face? It's very bugyaw.
Oh, yeah.
I'm silly.
Oh, I am silly. Dali na. Pwede mag...
Oh, sakyan.
Oh.
Honey?
Ay, sus. O, dali na. Pwede mag-work? Pwede mag-work si mama? Tapos yun na nga, mamili po tayo. Mag-grocery ako ng mga sangkap para sa lulutuin ko po sa Halloween party kasi bukas na po yun, guys. So, ang napag-isipan ko, magdala ako ng aking specialty na atay. Maano na naman tayo nito ng mga katakot magdala ng atay. Baka, atay na naman, Inday Garnet. Hindi kasi, guys, alam ko na, ano kasi yung potluck, tas alam ko ba na lahat sila magdala ng masasarap, ng mga, ano bang madala, yan man talaga mga pagkain sa atin, no? Kung may mga party, magdala ng mga, lahat na ng masasarap, alam ko na dalhin nila. Kaya ang akin, dahil Halloween party, yung, adobong atay ko po ang dalhin ko doon, tapos ang ahangan po natin para masarap. Your son is super happy that we're going to Intratown. That's why he's like this, super sweet. Nabi, I want to see the face of this baby. Nabi. Tingnan niyo. Grabe talaga, kasweet-sweet niyo. Oh. Alam ko talaga na magdala sila ng mga kare-kare, mga ganyan po ang mga dalhin. Tapos ano pa ba? Ang mga luto sa ating pamalakas. Kaldereta, alam ko na. Magkaparehas kami. Alam ko na walang magdadala ng atay doon. Kaya atay po ang dalhin natin. Tsaka nagtanong ako kay Precious kasi pupunta din po siya. Gusto niya din daw ng atay. At tsaka yung isa pa na si May na nag-ano po niyan, parang nag-organize. Tinanong ko din siya anong gusto niya, sabi niya masarap daw atay. So magdala tayo ng
You are my soldier. You are my hunter. You make me happy. The skies are gray.
You never know, dear. Wow! Dali na, let's go to Intratown! Woo! Suotin mo ngayon yung Vans mo na shoes. Ano man ka nakasmile pa rin? Dito ka mag-smile, be. Hindi siya manot, guys. Hindi siya matigil sa pagsasmile. Mahal, can you get his shoes, please? I think it's there, mahal. Huwag mo gamitin ang New Balance mo ngayon kay nag-ulan. Pangit ang weather. Sa Pilipinas at saka sa Japan mo na yun suotin. Para malinis pa rin pagdating natin doon. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Si mama din, hindi ko gamitin yung yung ating bagong shoes.
Why?
Because then it will be very dirty when we're outside because it's very bad weather today. It's very raining today.
What did you want me to bring?
The shoes, it's there. Alam niyo yung boots niya, di ba, labhan ko, kay nabasa sa school, paglaba, sira. Sira na po siya. Pero yun, kay last year pa din man yun, guys, na binili ko po, no. Nasuot niya na yun ng maraming beses. It did the job. The shoes of Nathan, mahal.
Yeah, until
I washed it.
until it got to the washing machine and then it broke.
Nasira siya. Magtindi po tayo sa Intratown. Nagpunta tayo last time doon, kasama si Bianan. Kaso hindi ko masyado binag kay gusto ko nga bumalik ba nakasama po si Nathan para makita niya din po yung mga Christmas nila doon. Ano man yan? Grabe man yan kasaya. Uy! Why? Why are you so happy? Because
I'm
oh, dali na, let's go.
What is this? You
this is for me, but I still need to buy for you. Ano na naman itong weather, uy? Kailan na naman kaya ito mag-araw? Alam nyo, sa 2 weeks, isang beses lang nag-araw nung nagpunta po tayo ng Den Haag para kumuha ng visa. Ngayon, puro ulan na naman po. Now, where are you? Nakalimutan ko pala ilagay yung para sa ulo ni Nathan. Maligo ka mamaya, ha? Ganda to, oh. Ganda mga pot nila dito. Pa-pink-pink. In fairness.
Maybe you want this in the house.
Yeah, that's nice in the house. Where will you get put that in the house?
How much?
How much?
Oh, this is a lot of small things.
Yeah.
This is not one thing you buy.
Oh, look! Santa Claus is here! Jingle bells, tain Isabel! Dali na, let's go! This is all for you! Oh, super expensive.
I like this. This one is not that expensive, only 17.
17? Sige. Hala. Laban.
If you don't like it, then let's not do it.
No, what I'm thinking ba that, 17 euros and then we throw it after. Buy that. Let's look for a beautiful one. Not that one.
Okay, go on.
Let's go, baby love. Uy, maganda din to. But this one are
18.
18? Which
€1
one?
more.
This one? I like that more. I like that more, mahal.
Which one?
Oh, this one. I like this too. How much is this? Ay, 28 euros,
That one is
man.
28.
Day Garnet, ang kuripot mo. Yes po.
That's only
Sige lang,
single.
hala, sige. But which one do you really want, mahal? Let's just
No, I
get
think that for you, not for me.
Hello! Wow! Look, baby love! Look! Super nice.
30.
30 euros. Grabe niya kasaya, guys. Uy, siling. Wow! Yeah, and penguins. Wow! I love it. Santa Claus. There is Santa Claus. Wow! All the Christmas in the world. Santa Claus, baby love, look here. Who is that? Wow! Huh? There. Here, this one. This is what you're hearing. And a happy new year.
Like a snow.
Yeah. I want that next to our TV. I know, when we have the Christmas tree, how much is that, mahal? Hindi daw kasi pwede yan ilabas, guys. Baka masira. Tama nga naman. Buti yung nandoon siya sa tabi ng ano. No, the bigger
This one
one.
is nicer because this one is sprays it up
Yeah.
and then it goes there. This one, it goes to the side here and then it
Yeah.
goes up in there. You don't see it spraying
I
up. it
really
just goes
want
down.
that ba next to our Christmas tree. What is that? Yes, look guys. Yeah, I like it too. Merry Christmas. And this one is very beautiful. The houses here with the lights. Wow. And that is with the swan. They're swimming. Look.
Oh, I dance out there.
Yeah. And there, look. Draaimolen, eh? I love it with the cakery, sweet and mice. Oh, meron talagang mga tinapay, oh.
Christmas.
Yeah, Christmas. Oh, beautiful. And this one is also very beautiful. Tingnan nyo, sabi ko sa inyo, balik tayo dito eh, kaya magustuhan niya talaga to. Ang mga presyo niya, oh, magkano? Itong ganito? Ito, oh. Siya din, 100 euros. Oh. Hindi na siya natapos, guys. Na ano talaga siya, na-amaze. Oh, Skatsen. nag-skate sila. Wow, look at that. You want this?
Yes.
100 euros man, bibilang. Not bad. Ito, 25 euros, guys. Pero maliit lang yan siya masyado, ha. Ayan, 25 euros.
Makikay kita?
Mahal, can you carry natin, my love? Wow. This one with the cake. With all the gifts in the world. I hear pa, baby love. They have a lot. Look. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, these are nice. Wow. I love it. Agoy. Kay Papa, magpakarga ka kay Papa. Dali. Ito, malaki din po siya. Alam niyo magkano? Ayan siya, oh. 100 euros din po. This one for the garden, mahal. Wow! 150 euros para sa ganito, guys. Ito, oh. For the garden ba, no? Ganda niyan, eh. Mga paisda po nila dito.
Before, when I was alone in the house, when you were gone and he was at school, I was thinking like it would be nice to have an aquarium next to the chair. I can sit and look at the aquarium.
Yeah. But we are always going to the Philippines. So it's not a good idea maybe to have an aquarium, guys. Alam niyo anong sabi ni Daniel? Si Siard, di ba dyan na din siya sa city namin ngayon nakatira. Baka pwede niya din i-train si Siard na maglinis at saka magpakain ng isda. Pwede na tayong magkaroon ng aquarium kay gusto ko ba yan dati pa, di ba? Excited yan. Oh, nandyan ang palaruan niya. Sige, maglaro-laro ka dyan. Pabayaan na muna natin sila doon, guys. Kaya magtingin-tingin po tayo dito. Wow! Baka makabili pa tayo ng plants dito. Baka gaganda ng mga plants nila. Guys, ang problema ko, hindi ko alam saan ko ilagay sa bahay ko. Wow! I love this. Look, kalaki po niya. Taragis! 150! Ganun po ako, pero kailangan yung ilipat kasi hindi siya lumalaki ngayon kasi maliit yung paso niya. Ang gawin natin yung magbili tayo ng paso. Dito po yung mga fake flowers nila, oh. Gusto ko nga bumili ng ganito para sa natin, dining, guys. Fake lang, kaya forever mo siyang diba? Forever magamit. Ang isang ganito, 10 euros, Diyos ko Lord. Ala, sige, reklamo pa more in the garnet. 10 euros ang isang ganito, guys. Kasi, guys, yung wants and needs, naalala nyo yun. Oh, meron pa silang pa-apple tree, oh, pero fake. Ayaw ko din yan. Meron din silang olive ba to? Parang hindi. Ang ganda tong ganito, guys. Oh. Ano kaya? Sa 12 euros ang isang tangkay. 13 euros pala. Isang tangkay ng ganito. Ito din, oh, mga fake po to lahat. Wow, ang mga paso, tingnan nyo. Color Mank. Mamenk-menk po siya. Hindi pa po masyadong pa-Christmas ang mga benta nila. Ngayon. Look at that. I love it here. Pag ka na, pag yung umiidad na, dito na tayo nagiging masaya, no? Yung mga ganito pang paganda ng bahay. Diba? Ano pa silang mga unan. Ganda dito, guys. Ito yung tinatawag na adulting period. Look at that. Tapos may pink pa sila na pa Christmas tree dito, oh. Wow, may pa-bar-bar sila. Bago yan, ah. Wala yan dati, guys. Dito na yung mga Christmas stuffs pala nila, guys. Amazing. Magkano kaya yan, guys? Binibenta yan nila ba? Sa totoo lang. Ang tanong kung magkano kaya yan. Itong ganyan. Pakalisa-kalisa nila. Ganda dito, no? Sarap sa mata. Kung nabubuhay lang yung lola ko ngayon, si Mamang Inday, sus. Adik yun sa mga pang Christmas, guys. Yun silang yung lalo na mga ganito. Mga Santa Claus, ay, dyan yan talaga siya. Kaya palagi siya sa Japan surplus. Pero mahal masyado dito, guys. Huwag na tayo mag-asa ngayon. Pagbalik na lang natin pag nag-sale na po sila. Lahat ng bulls in the world. You see that? Wow! All the bulls in the world. Ano pa silang paaw. Magkano yan? 8 euros para sa ganyan. Iniisip ko kasi yung pang fall na gusto ni Daniel ba. Iniisip ko, kailangan ba talaga namin siya? Kailangan ba namin magkaroon ng ganito? Diba? Ano man? Bili? Ganito kaliit. Yung pagbili ko ng akin, hindi din ganyan, mga ganito. Ganito po yun. Pagbili ko, pero ngayon mas mataas na po siya sa akin. Ito naman, mga paso nila, guys. Magkano ang malaki? Tingnan nyo, paso lang. Diyos ko, 140 euros. Ala. Sige, ito pinakamalaki, 170 euros. Ito naman, 180 euros times 67. Ano to? Wala mang price. Tingnan nyo ang anak ko, guys. Nag-enjoy taon siya, guys. Yan, ka-enjoyan niya dito, oh. Yan, mga laruan nila, mga ganito. Ang tatay, nag-enjoy din. Mahal, you know? I found a plant. Super beautiful. You know how much? 150 euros. Why?
And then we don't water it and it dies and it just goes away and you only have it a few weeks.
60 euros. Mahal. 60 euros. Not bad. I think I know why it's very expensive, the one I saw there. Because it was also with the one that we have right now, that there's no soil and you just put water. May plant po kami na wala siyang soil, guys. Ano lang po siya, puro stones.
No, but that's just a type of plant. That's not why it's more expensive.
Dali na, let's go. Let's look at the plant, baby love, that mama likes. It's very big. Super duper big plant. Ayun na, there. To Papa. Go to Papa. Yan po yung restaurant nila. Because it's big, yeah. It's a tree? Ah, because it's a tree daw. Beautiful, right? 150.
Don't we have a plant that looks exactly
Yeah,
like this?
we have. But I want to repot that. It's not growing because we have a small pot. Pinocchio.
And this now,
Pinocchia. That is Pinocchia. Asawa ni Pinocchio. Tingnan mo, kay ano din ang ilong niya, oh. That is the one that is the guard.
what's it called?
The guard is taking care of Pinocchio and Pinocchia. Ang ganda nito, guys. 4 euros isa. Wow, ka-cute. So cute. I love it for our Christmas tree. Oh, with the pink Christmas tree. Meron din pala sila dito po.
Pink Christmas.
There, look. Wow. Santa Claus and Mama Claus. There. To adik sa ganito si Mamang Inday, guys. Makakita yun ng ganito. Bilihin po talaga. Now, which one do you want? Oh, there. Santa Claus is dancing there. Let's go there. Now, you see? Santa Claus is dancing. Mister ko nakahanap ng belt niya, guys. Ay, for the ano, my love?
Because look,
My love.
it's already falling apart, this one.
Look here for the thumbnail. 1, 2, smile. Okay, thank you. Ito daw, oh. Ito ang
500 euro.
Ito ang tinatanong niya, oh, ano daw to? Alam niya na good na chocolate. Sabi ko, chocolate. Magkano daw? Yun na yun. Palabas na po kami. Magbayad na tayo. Wow! Look guys, ka-cute naman ito oy. I love this. Tingnan nyo, yan oh. Mga pa-plates niya. Ang kulay ba? Mahal, look, mahal. For the tea, my love. Is this for the tea?
No, it's not for the tea.
Ito, puro mga candy ang nakikita eh. Mga chocolate.
What is that about?
You know what that is? What is that? Sige daw. What is that?
Oh, the marshmallow in the world, the lollipop, the world.
Alam mo naman pala eh. Magtanong ka pa. Did you enjoy here in the intra-town?
Okay.
Naar the Albertine. Then you can watch there again. With the TV, you can play there a little bit. This one. How much is this? 30 euros. Or this one, look.
45.
45. Kaganda naman ito, guys. Is this? Oh yeah, it's real man. It will die, guys. Because it's real. Kung fake pa yan, bilhin ko yan. Kay forever man siya na magamit. 45. Sipin nyo yun. 45 euros. Masayang lang.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle like, jingle bell like, jingle bell like.
Hindi pa rin ako makadecide. Uy, kung anong what should I bring in the party tomorrow, mahal? Adobong atay or beef curry?
How about you bring tandoori?
Mahal, they're not drinking, mahal.
I have tandoori upstairs.
What
You
will
can
I-
bring tandoori.
What ba? What do you think is yummy? Beef curry or adobong atay?
Atay.
Yung. Because I'm thinking ba, I told them already that I'm thinking Filipinos, you know, what is that? The Filipinos will already bring the kare-kare, the mechado, all the menudo, and the, whatever it is, caldereta.
Whatever it is.
Di ba? Meron nga magdala ng chicken feet. Magdala si Mary Ann Passion. Chicken feet daw. Tinanong ko siya. Sabi ko, Day, anong dalahin mo, Day? Magdala sa chicken feet daw. Kapugi naman kahit nakapikit. I love you. Uy, naturlak, bebe. That's why we're here. So you can play. Para malibre tayo sa weekend. It's Saturday today. Wala siya pasok. Dapat may magawa siya, no. Yan ang kanyang mga for today's video. Kanyang activity. Kalibre pa tayo. Dito na tayo sa Albertine. Ito yung sinasabi ko kay Daniel na mas mura pa sila dito. Look. Oh, parehas nito. Bebe Love, look, Bebe Love, come here. There's a squirrel. Look. Bawa niya, no? Kay bakit, 9 euros. Look at that. That is also for fall. And this one is also for fall. Look. And this one is for fall. How much is this? Oh, I like that. How much is that? Tingnan nyo, guys. I want this. This is what I want.
What is this?
This is more beautiful. Parang 20 euros, guys. Yeah, wait lang. Kay pa tayo. Magtingin-tingin pa si Papa. I-wait natin si Papa. Diba? Mas mura good sila dito, guys. At ito pa, magkano to? Not bad. Maganda din to. 12 euros. Mas mura. Tapos ito forever siya, guys. This one is forever. It's fake. It's fake.
What is this?
That will be forever.
What is this?
That is for the fall.
The food?
Yeah, for the fall.
What is that?
Herbs. Look, here is more cheaper. I like this. Look, can you see if you like that? Yeah. You like that?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
You know how much?
How much?
20 euros. But this one, mahal. It's more cheaper.
Where do you see that?
Here. Is that wind leaf?
Where is the Bila soap?
Hanap tayo ng Puday soap dito. Grabe, masyadong vulgar.
Makeup sponges.
Puday soap. Here, this one. No smell at all and This one.
Okay. Get 10.
3 plus 2, gratis daw.
Yeah.
3 plus 2.
American.
Can you check if that's the one too?
Met uitzondering van menstruatieondergoed.
3 plus
So
2.
that should be.
Yeah. Naghahanap po ako ng eyeliner para mag-eyeliner tayo bukas. Kasi naglagay ako. Kita niyo ba? Color brown. Ang isa dito nag-concert na naman. Napansin na good siya. Sayang ano, kaganda naman ang song ni Nathan. Sabi nung ano no? Ng babae.
Why did we need hand soap?
No, not daw for washing my bra. Ilang atay man ang bilihin natin, guys. Siguro mga yung maganda din ang kunin natin, no? Mga 4 siguro. Pwede na yan, kaya magdala din man yan sila. Ilang ano ba to? 400 grams plus 400 grams pala siya. Kadami na. Diba? Kung 4, ilan ang 4? 400 times 4, guys. 1,600. That's all.
Okay. And then we still have the Dettol and
How about for breakfast and lunch tomorrow? We have? Ano ba kasi yan? Paano siya laruin? How do you play that?
Not the little party.
Oh, you throw it?
soap now.
Yeah.
In the party.
Okay. Itapon daw siya sa basurahan, guys. Dagdagan pa natin ng isang atay. Pauwi na tayo, guys. Mag-prepare na ako ng pang-dinner. Gamitin natin to yung ginamit ko po sa ginawa kong bolognese pasta kay Nathan. Magsutanghon. Hindi bihon ang ilagay ko. Mas masarap ang sutanghon, guys. At meron pa ako bihon for tonight, mahal. Bihon lang sabihin ko kay bihon yung kilala niya.
With the lime?
Yeah, with the lemon. With the lime ba daw? Dami ata tayong bihon. Oh, meron pa. We have 3 bihons. Pero dalawa lang lutuin ko. Pwede na sa amin dalawa. Itong atay, hugasan ko po ito. Tapos, yes, para mas masarap siya manuot ang mga lasa. You want more blue cheese? Okay, wait lang. Magkuha muna si mama ng lalagyan. Kaya i-marinate natin ang atay. Kaya nagmerinda yan siya. What do you want? You want more cheese? Nagmerinda yan siya, guys. Cracker, blue cheese, and apple for Nathaniel.
Mahal. How many chickens do you think this is? Because each chicken only has 1 liver.
Pag sure, eh.
Yeah? You also only have 1 liver.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So
If
that
you
is-
did not
that
tell
is
me that, mahal, I don't... I did...
many chickens. How many chickens are in here? Like, what, maybe 10 livers? So this is like 50 chickens.
Parang nakatapon gud ako ng 500 grams, guys. Na atay. Kaya tingnan niyo, pangit ang pagkaano nila, pagkalinis sa iba. Parang nalamog. Pangit yan siya pag niluto niyo. Dapat yung buo. Tapos bigla ko siyang na-realize, bakit ko siya itapon? Pwede naman ako ang kumain yan. Ilagay ko sa freezer. Marinate ko na din po siya. May lamog kasi, mas masarap pa rin yung buo, no? Depende kasi yan sa paghawak ba sa atay. Na-marinate na po natin yung ating atay. Ititi natin to. Masarap, madaming gulay yung ating garlic na lang ilagay ko kay kadaming sibuyas nito, guys. Meron pa talagang leek. Kalalaki ng leek niya. Meron po siyang, ano yan, carrot, paprika, leek, tsaka, meron din nata siyang, yes, meron din siyang zucchini and the white onion. Garlic. Akala nyo may papuking siya, wala. Joke-joke lang yun. Alam ko na mastermind yun na po ito at mas magaling kayo magbihon sa akin. Ayun talaga. Perfect siya, guys. Yellow-yellow. Kaya nilagyan ko po ng atswete. Ilalagay ba kayo niyan? Look at that. Wow! Pero final judgment, final judgment. My love, come here, my love. Can you try, Mahan? Come here. This is what you call so-tang-po.
Go on my knees so they can see me.
You also want chicken? Chicken or no
You
chicken?
should film how I'm standing.
No need.
Need the ice, Papa.
Look there.
I need the ice, Papa.
Nice.
Here. Kunin yung ano mo, babe. Yung upuan. This is the bihon. Next time, isa lang ang lutuin ko. Masyadong marami ang dalawa, guys. Hanggang bukas ito ba? Madami. It's better now with calamansi?
That is my board chair.
What time tomorrow?
So, what can you say?
Mom,
Yummy? You don't want this, baby love. This is yummy if you put lemon there. Super yummy.
Mom, please.
Yeah? Lemon a little bit. Then it's a little bit sour. And then you mix it. Mix it good. Enjoy. So, better?
Yeah.
So guys, ang mga kabuang natin dito. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. You love it. See you again tomorrow. Kung di absent.
Warum ist das hier?
Super sour?
Ja.
Not so sour.
Warum ist das lemon sour?
Sarap.
Because
Because the lemon needs to be sour. Mas masarap talaga ang sutanghon, guys. Mas gusto ko to kaysa sa bihon. As in.